Hey guys, I'm Falcon here, and today we are playing Vehicle Simulator. That game. Well, okay, here we are at the next car dealership. Let's see what they got. Um, I can't, I don't know what these cars look like. See this one, Telstra Rover. These are Telstra cars. Oh no, not Telstra. Telstra, whatever they are. Model S. That looks cool. Right, the oh wait, there's another dealership over here too. Let's go to that one, shall we? What? No, no, I don't want. I don't want. I don't want. Okay, I'll see when I get out of this and get to the store. Okay, we're out, so I'll see you at the next dealership. So it's apparently this. What? What happened? What happened? Oh, oh, oh shit, speaking of. I thought that was another scale, but it doesn't make a difference. Speak. Oh, you can get a yacht. Speedboat. I can get that. The jet ski. I can definitely get that. When I get enough money for that car I want back there, I think you got drive to get money. I'll see. Money's up there. This is my money, so keep an eye on that when I drive. What? What? Yeah, get money when you drive. Oh, what happened? Um, okay. Yeah. It turned out where I said, okay, guys, I'm out. Let's go find it. Was actually the place where guys, come on here. Okay. I wonder if you can get new horns. But I think my friend said can. Oh, then we get down. I don't think it's supposed to come up there. I honestly don't. Yeah, hospital. Is that what you said? Whoa, please. Let's catch, let's catch the police. Whoa, there's, there's a car blow up. Okay, so I just need 3,000 more coins left, and then I'll be able to get the car. It's 50,000, I've got 40,000, 48,000. It should be quick. And now I'm gonna get the jet ski. Yeah, where did you get the rainbow accounts? Because I didn't just play this game. I got spoiler. Hmm. So see when we have enough money to buy that car I want. Um, Now I have 50,000 coins money. I just want to get another 5,000 so I can get a jet ski as well. So I'm gonna drag race with nobody else. Clever idea. Mm. Um, but yeah, I'm gonna drag race with by myself. And three, two, one. That's what I'm doing. I'm running, basically. So let's go. I didn't mean for that to be a fail. I just want to show the fun. Drag race. Oh, it's gonna take. Oh, look at that sparks flying in the air. Oh no, a cop comes. A cop comes. Comes. You know what you do? You do this. Yeah, I'll start with that now. So I'll see you when I get 5,000 coins. Yeah? Yeah? No? Well, that person said no. Yes. Guys, I found out this amazing thing. What's a tree? Right? I destroyed the tree. So this is gonna be how I make money. I'm only on 50,000, 53,255 coins. So let's do this. Tree knocking in the sport. Bam! 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 The tree is destroyed. Okay, guys, here's a big one. And boom! And you well, I like how sparks flying everywhere. Oh, guys, I forgot to tell you how you get a shout out in my videos. So if you follow me on Roblox, then type your name in the comment section down below, and I'll see if you're my followers, and then you'll get a shout out in the next video. So for those who do that, you get a shout out. Those don't, so let's just keep going. I was caught again. This is my second attempt on this game. Or, or, tap, no, oh, okay, I'll be going on my hiccups. And my I get 55,000 coins. See ya. I still have the hiccups, but there's this guy called Noob Goose Whitey. Whitey normally sings for YouTuber. I don't have one, but yeah, I'm a YouTuber. Hey guys, hiccups are gone, and I have enough money now to get a gift purchase. You successfully purchased a gift. I already have purchased it. Okay, I'll see you when I get the other car. Okay, guys, we're back. Oh, I really could get that. Hmm, but no, I want this one. That one looks really good. I'm on But let's get this one. So, why is this guy following me? Yeah, here it is. Right. Okay, how is it? Max speed. Yeah, I have a little bit of a cold today. Max speed. Breaking. Yeah, I like it. Purchase. I only now have how much money? How much money do I have left? Oh, so, God, stop. I'm done. How much money do I have left? 630. Mm-hmm. So, guys, that's all for today's video because my record is running out. So, leave a like and subscribe if you like this video. Even if you didn't like this video, please still do that. And yeah, yeah, you can get a shout out by follow me, following me on Roblox. So yeah, guys, I'll see you later. Goodbye.